Setting up your Spectrum Mobile voicemail is quick and easy. We'll walk through the setup process for both Android and Apple devices, plus show you how to create your PIN and greeting. First, let's set up voicemail on Android devices. The process is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. On Android, open your phone app and navigate to the keypad. Press and hold the number one key to call your voicemail service. The system will guide you through the setup with spoken instructions. Remember to press and hold the number one key, not just tap it. This will automatically dial your voicemail service. Now let's look at the setup process for Apple devices, which uses a slightly different approach. For Apple devices, open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab at the bottom. Look for the Setup Now option. If you don't see this button, your voicemail may already be activated. Both Android and Apple devices will require you to set up two important security features during the initial setup process. During setup, you'll create a 4-digit PIN for security. This PIN is essential. You'll need it every time you want to access your voicemail messages. Choose something memorable but secure. You'll also record a personal greeting that callers will hear when you can't answer. Keep it professional and informative. You can always change this greeting later if needed. Spectrum Mobile also offers advanced visual voicemail features that make managing your messages even easier. Visual voicemail lets you manage all your messages directly from your smartphone screen. You can see all your voicemails at once, play them in any order, and delete them without having to call your voicemail service. If you ever forget your PIN or need help with your voicemail setup, Spectrum customer support is available to assist you. If you forget your PIN, simply call Spectrum at 833-224-6603. Their support team can reset your PIN and help with any other voicemail questions you might have. Your Spectrum Mobile voicemail is now ready to use. The setup process ensures your messages are secure and easily accessible whenever you need them. Now that your voicemail is set up, you can customize your greeting to make it more personal and professional. Your greeting is the first thing callers hear, so it's important to make a good impression. You can personalize your voicemail notifications to ensure you never miss an important message. Different alert sounds help you distinguish voicemail notifications from other alerts on your phone. Spectrum offers an innovative feature called Readable Voicemail that automatically transcribes your voicemail messages and sends them directly to your email. This makes it easy to quickly scan your messages without having to listen to each one. If you're experiencing issues with your voicemail app, such as it not opening or not receiving notifications, clearing the app's data can often resolve these problems. Here's how to do it on Android devices. It's important to understand your voicemail storage limits. Android phones can store up to 20 voicemail messages, while iPhones can save up to 40 messages. Each individual message can be up to 3 minutes long. For added security, it's recommended to change your voicemail PIN periodically. This helps protect your personal messages from unauthorized access. Contact Spectrum customer service if you need help resetting your PIN.